Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen if you'd like to learn more about my benefits. So, anyways, the euro dollar definitely made a very strong move to the upside last night in the Asian session. It's not a holiday for them, so it kind of makes sense that they would try to push things up when everybody else is on holiday. But I put this extra Fibonacci retracement on here with the extra Fibonacci levels because these extra levels do help you identify flats. And last week I was saying that this potentially could be three waves down for like an A, and potentially could be three waves up for a wave B. Now that definitely still is the case because if it really is a wave B, it would have to turn at the 138 or the 123. Now the problem with this analysis is that we are in a very strong uptrend on all the higher time frames. So you may go down to the 1 hour time frame and come up with a reason why this is going to go down in a big wave C, and you may go short. But in reality, because we're in such a strong uptrend on the higher time frames, it could just go and go and go. I personally would be recommending nothing but longs in an uptrend because the trend is your friend and the trend is very, very strong. But if it does respect one of these two fib levels, and if it does make a really strong turn to the downside, then it really is probably a wave B, and it probably is either going to go down and make a running ABC, which would be a higher low, right? A, B, C, higher low compared to the A, or it would be an expanding ABC, which would go down and make a lower low than the wave A before it actually continued the uptrend. Either way, though, I definitely think we need to focus on longs in an uptrend because we are in very strong wave 3 trends, most likely. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.